Wala na pong natitirang duda ng atin pong Pangulo ay isang mamamatay tao at sociopathic serial killer.
For over a decade, Leila de Lima has held a personal grudge against Rodrigo Duterte. It started when she was chair of the Commission on Human Rights.
What peace, what order do we give to the people of Davao City if no one is free to speak their intolerance for vigilant killings, for fear for their own lives?
She investigated the so-called Davao Death Squad, but no case prospered.
Ang mga maging witnesses ay hindi pa willing, takot pa na mag-testify against the former mayor.
Then she became Secretary of Justice. Still, no charges, no court filings, just noise. And when she became senator, her attacks grew louder. She used every opportunity to paint Duterte as a criminal. But here's the truth. After all the accusations, all the press conferences, all the Senate hearings, not once did she file a formal case against him in court. Not a single charge.
At hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin siyang kinakasuhan. So I think that is a matter of incompetence.
Instead, she built a career on hate, obsessed with bringing Duterte down, yet never proving a thing.